Hi, I'm Dave Feldberg with Coastal Real Estate Group, and I'm sitting here today with Ryan Howell with Coastline Home Inspections. And I wanted to ask you today, Ryan, what are the top 3 defects you find in a home?
Well, top three defects kind of have to do with 3 different areas. I'd say plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and electrical systems would be the top 3. Kind of within those, I'd say heating and air conditioning systems either don't work at all because they haven't been used that season. We actually see that more than you may imagine. For electrical systems, we often see wiring defects at outlets, or we'll see some problems in the panel that need to be updated. And then for plumbing defects, we'll see leaks, especially in high-use areas like the kitchen sink or bathroom sinks underneath, where things are hitting the pipes and connections are getting loosened, and so they usually need to be tightened up.
All right, good tips. Thank you very much, Ryan, and contact us. We'd love to hear from you.